Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Today in this video, I'm going to show you the ways to delete your Twitch account. In order to delete a Twitch account, you need to follow these simple steps. So what you need to do is basically open up a browser. Now there's no direct option to go ahead and delete your Twitch account. So you need to go ahead and send a request or submit a ticket. So type in this link that is www.twitch.tv that is so you need to go ahead and tap on help.twitchtv.com/article delete Twitch account. You could find this in the main homepage. And while you're on this page, you need to scroll down a bit, go to deleting your Twitch account. Press the link in order to expand. Next thing you want to do is this is the page where you could go and submit the request or the ticket. Now, as per the account to delete, type in your username. Make sure that the username is correct. And you need to go ahead and give a reason for deleting your account. Now, tap the delete button. And if your reason seems to be valid enough, then you'll be receiving some sort of confirmation through your email associated with your Twitch account. And that's how you could go ahead and delete your Twitch TV account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.